What if you could have your own AI chat agent in your website? You could have your customers speak to AI without ever even knowing it. Well, welcome to Software Safari. My name is Toby, and I'll be taking you through AI Chat Agent and all that it has to offer. You log in with your email and your password. When you log in, you can see the dashboard. And for the assistant panel, you can see your previously created chatbots. You can check appearance, settings, integrations, you can check the knowledge, you can embed code, and also you can take a look at how it works. We'll come into that. Also, you can always chat up support, you can log out, and you can edit your profile. Here you can create a new chatbot. You input your assistant name. When you do that, you can choose to upload training files for your assistant to use. Otherwise, you can just save. And once you're saved, you can make changes to that chatbot. So first, you can change the appearance. You can always take a look at the assistant name. You can put a new placeholder to see what will always show when a user tries to message the chatbot. You can take a look at your accent color. You can choose an avatar from whichever one you have saved. You can add a button icon, button text, then you can save changes. Next, you can take a look at settings. In your settings, you can take a look at the welcome message that would be received from your chatbot to your user. So the welcome message, you can always edit that into whatever you want it to be. And with the system prompt, as you can see, this is the base prompt that provides context to the AI model. You use it to describe what your assistant can do and how it can help the user. So the assistant knows what it is and what it needs to provide to your user. So the given prompt there is you're an assistant AI and your task is to use your knowledge and skills to help website visitors with their queries. So it already understands that whatever question your visitor may have, it should answer. Then you can include an OpenAI API key if you have one. And also you can choose to delete the assistant. Next, we take a look at integrations. And on integrations, you can choose to add other platforms to your chatbot. You can add a convert lead integration, and also you can add a webhook integration. For knowledge, you can update the knowledge that you've given to your AI chatbot. This helps it to perform specific actions and to know how to handle user queries. You can choose to embed code. And when you're embedding code, you can embed the code of your AI chatbot to your website. All you have to do is copy the link and include that to the header or the footer of your website. Also, you can do that with the iframe link. You can take a look at how it works, where you see more videos on how to use AI Chat Agent. And when you're done, your chatbot will look something similar to this. So you can see, you can enter a prompt, where you can pick specific keywords, and also you can take a look at history of prompts that you've used. So let's just enter a simple prompt. And you can choose the tone you want that to be in. When you click on generate, you can have that prompt and you can have an answer. You can choose to save that. And also it will be in your history. You can always copy and make reference to it whenever you want. So as you can see, it's very useful if you want to add a simple, quick widget of a chatbot to your website. All you have to do is to embed and use it, take advantage of it as much as you want. Don't forget, a link to AI Chat Agent is in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.